Now let me make sure all of my scripts have a shebang. So we'll do grep -f for fixed grep. That way we can just type symbols and grep won't choke on itself. And then we'll do star to search all the files in the current directory, which is scripts. All right, looks like I have a shebang on all three of these scripts. So that's good. They should run fine. If you don't know what a shebang is, it basically tells the script which interpreter to use. So this shebang tells Linux to use the Python interpreter. This shebang tells Linux to use the bash shell interpreter. So it basically tells it what language to use. Now, it looks like all my scripts are here, but how can I be 100% sure? If I'm missing a shebang symbol in one of my scripts and it tries to run, it will error out, and I may not even know. So instead of talking about finding what's there in grep, let's flip grep on its head and talk about finding what is not there. We'll call this hunting for gaps. Picture this. You've got a whole bunch of files, say 30 of them, and you want to make sure they all have an important line in them. Say a signature block for emails or a shebang for scripts. How do you go about validating that none of them are missing an important line? Well, you could open 30 files one by one and see if they do or do not contain the important line, but that will take a while, and it's 2025. You shouldn't have to do that. There's got to be a better way. Well, this is where grep-uppercase L comes in. So let's rerun the same search we did prior, except we will use uppercase L along with it. Let's clear the screen. We'll go grep-L F for fixed grep again, so we can search for those symbols. Shebang symbol, and search all the files. There is a script right there that's missing a shebang. So let's open that script. Sure enough, line 1 right at the top. It's told what interpreter to use, but it's missing the shebang symbol, so Linux probably won't catch it. We will enter a shebang, and then we'll save this. We'll rerun our search. And sure enough, nothing comes up. Let's rerun the search. Excuse me, let's clear the screen really quick. We'll rerun the search, this time without the L, and now we have 4 files that show up as having the shebang symbol. Let's say you're out on the job and you want to reference this command really quick, but you can't remember the particulars of it. Well, in the description below, I have a website you can reference. It's free. All you have to do is go to it. You don't have to give me an email or anything. And you can go to the top of the grep command page, look in the index, roll down to list files missing the pattern, click that, and here you can see a screenshot example of what we just went over, and then click the drop down here and it'll give you some more fleshed out information about this command. Now you know how to search for files missing a pattern instead of files containing a pattern, so you're well on your way to mastering the grep command. If you guys want to learn a specific new Linux command, or you're having trouble with a command you're working with currently, let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll make a video explaining it. Now, if you know of someone else that would benefit from this video, please share it with them, and thanks for hanging out with me. Take care.